Hey guys, so I'm gonna try this video one more time before I get all my phone across the park. Not really, because if I do that, I'll break it. So, we are planning, or I am planning on doing a video after Brandon's born in the hospital, once I am out of recovery and stuff. Introducing it to you guys, this is blah blah blah, shows blah blah blah, shows so many inches on, so on and so forth. It's gonna be like a 2-minute video. After that, I'm probably taking 2 weeks off of YouTube for recovering and to get Jordan and Kaylee used to having a little sister and to get everything established with that and get her on a routine and the kids on a new routine and stuff like that. I just want to let you guys know we are planning on, or I'm planning on doing a video in the hospital. What else? Anything else? I'm trying to think. Sorry, my voice is kind of crappy. I'm dealing with major heartburn because I had spicy chili tonight and it's like, killing me. Yeah. I can't think tonight. I know there's something I was going to say. Oh, and in a couple weeks, I'm going to redo my hospital bag video, because I was missing some things that was kind of key. Items like nursing pads and my book I have now that I just got a week or two ago, my paperwork for the doctors and stuff, and so on, so on, so on. There's so much to remember. It's like we are in the final stretch, basically, 29 weeks and 2 days. Well, not 2 days. And getting everything ready is really difficult when you got a 3-year-old and a 4-year-old, and I still gotta get their bag ready. I gotta go to storage and get the backpack. Then we gotta get some extra jeans and stuff for them. Kaylee is outgrowing all the slip-in pants, which is annoying. She's so tall, but yet she's skinny, so it's hard to find. She needs a 3C length and a 24-month waist. So, or a 2C waist and a 3C length. So, yeah, she's tall, but she's skinny. She weighed 30 pounds less than we weighed. So Jordan is chubby and short. He is 35 pounds at 3 years old. So he should eat 3 helpings if I let him. Oh, and once we get everything settled and everything, when I get home from the hospital, I will do a video of both Kaylee and Jordan with Rihanna. Yeah, so I am very excited to have this last baby. I don't know, it's different this time around. Maybe it's because my family's not really involved this time around. I don't know. Because the last 2 times we went to the hospital and I had Kaylee, I didn't get to see her for the longest time while everybody else got to see her and stuff before me. And it's kind of annoying because it's like, I want to see her before anybody else, But she wasn't breathing, so I couldn't see her when she was born. And with Jordan, they had to put me under because I didn't get numb enough. And that really pissed off my mom, and my cousin walks into the nursery and sees him without my permission. I know some of you would be like, oh, that's cool and stuff, but I'd like to see my kids before everybody else in the world does. They saw him before Brandon, my husband's young. It's kind of annoying, but so that makes it a little bit different this time around. Unfortunately, we're not letting no one know what time I'm having her if I stick to the C-section date around the 14th of April. So, just because I want to see her before anybody else, because it is my last child. Because I've had so many miscarriages that it's not even a good idea to try having more kids. I've had 5 miscarriages, and it's just to the point where I can't handle any more miscarriages. I had a miscarriage a year ago today, and it's hard not to think about it. So, baby, so, yeah, that was a pretty, I was going through a lot of stuff at that point in time anyways, and then, I lost the baby as well, on top of everything else, and I didn't really have time to grieve, I guess, because of everything I was going through. We would have marriage problems where we were separated for 2 days, as you must, I'll tell you, I mean, I'm not going to say everything, because it's personal, but him and I were having some marital problems. We were separated for 2 days, and me and Kaylee and Jordan were at my mom's for those 2 days. Finally, he came to his senses, and we got back together, and we've been together. It's going to be 5 years in May now. May 2nd will be our 5th anniversary, so I'm pretty happy with my life now. We're working our problems out. You know, my parents are divorced, and I just don't want the kids to go through what I went through. So I was put in the middle of everything, especially with my mom. My mom, I love her to pieces, but she did put me in the middle of stuff. Give your dad this, tell your dad that. And my dad did the same probably. Give this to your mom, tell her I need that, I think anytime someone goes through that, it's hard. I was 20-something, that was so hard. Because I was moving at the same time my dad was moving out to my brother's house. So, I've never said 9 kids, so I come from a pretty big family. Sorry, my nails I'm obsessed with them. I did them blue last night, if you can see it. And this one chipped, but I redid it. Still kind of crappy. But, yeah. It was okay. I mean, I'm not a professional. Who is? The professionals are professionals. I'm Lorena. I do my own. I can't afford to go get my nails done. We're on low income. That's why they cost like first one. My kids still don't play training. We're hoping by the time the spring comes along and we move that they will, because we are planning on moving again. This time hopefully for at least 2 years. And then after that move, we're going to be looking into getting a house, because we're sick of trailers. I'm sick of trailers. It's an okay place, but I don't like having neighbors so close. I have one on one side, one on the other, and the one on the right side is annoying. Like every morning, her loud car wakes my kids up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and it makes me mad. It's like they won't go back to sleep, so I have to get up, and I'm tired all day long. Because they're at that age where they don't like to nap. So yeah, they're sleeping now. So. And then her loud dogs. Oh. I guess it's just a random vlog video tonight. I don't know. Just talk about anything. But I'm gonna get off here, find a snack or something, watch a little TV, take a shower and go to bed. Hopefully the cat will not try to get in the shower tonight. Yeah, last night she tried to take a shower with me. That didn't work, so I kicked her out. It's kind of funny. But I'm gonna get up ready to call my dad. I forgot to call him tonight. So I'll talk to you guys all later. Have a good night. Bye.